Hello everyone. In today's class, we will study how to create a company. Okay. So to create a company in Tally ERP9, can you see this icon? So you just click on this icon. So here you are getting some options here. So if you're using this Tally ERP for educational mode, you just go and click here and you make the entry. Or else if you are using this Tally for a business purpose, means you have to get a license for this. Here activate your license. Okay, now we are using this Tally for a educational mode. I will click on work in educational mode. Okay, so when you click on it, you are going to get the such kind of window. So now to create a company, can you see here on the right hand side, when if you click on this company information, or else the shortcut key for this is what? Alt F3. Can you see this, the line below the function key? If you see such line, you have to press Alt F3. Okay, here the for to select a company, what is the functions key? It is function F1. Okay, for this it is Alt F1 to shut a company. So these are the shortcut keys. Okay, you can use to create a company or to shut a company. Okay, now we want to create a company. You just click on this company information. Okay, when you click on this, you are going to get this window, this kind of window. So to create a company, so where we have to go? We have to go into the create company option. Okay, I will just click on it. So this kind of display you are going to get. So here directory, this is what? This is the path where this file is going to be saved. So under D drive, Tally ERP, original, and under data, this file will be saved. So this is the path where this file's data is going to be saved. Okay. So here you have to give the name. For example, if I gave okay, gold merchant okay limited. Okay, next mailing name it will take. Okay, next you have to give the address here, Super Bazaar. Okay, next it is asking you all the country. You just select the country, India. Okay, state you have to select here. It is asking the state, Karnataka. Next pin code it is asking, you have to type the pin code. Okay, next it is asking the phone number. Okay, you just enter the phone number. Okay, next mobile number. Okay, next if you have fax number, you just enter it. Or next it is asking email ID. Okay, okay, next if you have your website, you just give your website address. And next this is what the financial year begins from. Okay, so this is the our financial year begins from April. Okay, from April it is going to begin. Okay, so that's why here it is the date, and this is the books beginning from, means if your books are beginning from different date, from this you can alter the date here. Okay, and next this is Tally valid password. Okay, if you want to give password, you can give here. So I will not give here, I will just keep it. I will press enter. So this is what base currency symbol. So when you select the India, no, this currency will come by default. Okay, you just enter. Okay, do enter, 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 and you accept it. Okay, so when you accept, can you see here on the left hand side, the Gold Merchant Limited has been, this company has been created. Okay, so these are the options. This is the select company, means if you want, if they have already created many companies, if you have already created the companies here, to select a company, you just go here. So these are the list of the companies I am having. So among this, if I want to select this Gold Merchant, my company, so it is here. Okay, so this is my Gold Merchant Limited company which have created just now. Can you see the number here, 10020? So this is what, this is the number for this company which have created. So I have showed, no, this is the path where your data is stored. So in this drive, no, it is going, this file is going to be saved with the, with this number. Okay, not with the, this name. Okay, this number it is going to be saved, that is 10020. Okay, so among this, if you want to select, you just go here and you just select this company. Okay, so this shut company means if you want to close the company. Okay, and this alter means what, if you want to do any changes for in the company which you have already created, you can just go in this option and you can alter it. Okay, so now we will see, I have showed, no, the name of my company. Okay, by which number it has been saved, we will see. It has been saved with 10020. Okay, now I will show you how it has been saved. Just go here in D drive, Tally ERP original, under data. Okay, 10020 is there, right? See here, can you see here? So this is the number, okay, of my file which has been saved in this path. Okay, so these are the steps how to create the company in Tally ERP9. Okay girls. Okay, thank you for watching my video.